Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the hottest items on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of Jurassic Park with an accessory that's sure to turn heads. I'm talking about none other than the Loungefly Women's Universal Jurassic Park logo double-strap shoulder bag purse. If you're a Jurassic Park fan like me, you're in for a treat. Let's start with what makes this purse so special. Crafted from high-quality faux leather, this bag measures a compact W9XH 10.5XD 4.5. It's sturdy yet stylish, perfect for everyday use or showing off your Jurassic Park fandom on a special outing. What caught my eye immediately are the intricate details. From the dinosaur egg enamel zipper pull to the embossed and printed Jurassic Park logo, this bag screams attention to detail. It's not just a purse, it's a statement piece. Beyond its looks, functionality is key. The double-strap design ensures comfort whether you wear it on one shoulder or across the body. Plus, the white clean faux leather means it's easy to maintain, which is always a plus for busy days. Styling this purse is a breeze. Pair it with jeans and a tee for a casual day out, or rock it with a dress for a touch of Jurassic Park flair at a party. It's versatile enough to complement any outfit without overshadowing your style. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you a fan of Jurassic Park? And would you consider adding this bag to your collection? Let me know in the comments below. That wraps up our review of the Loungefly Women's Universal Jurassic Park logo double-strap shoulder bag purse. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews. Until next time, stay stylish and stay tuned to Product Critique.